something driving the need for more cell phone towers, or is the need kind of flat? I mean, what is your outlook for that?
No, well, if you turn on the TV at night, you hear 5G, 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 5G. Well, the thing about 5G is to be able to provide that service, again, that's a service. To provide that service, you have to build out more infrastructure. The forecast is by 2025, you're going to have to build out approximately about 1 million cell sites, additional cell sites. Now, in comparison, right now in the United States, cell towers and rooftop sites, they're a little over 400,000. So you're almost 2 times as many you're going to have to build out in the next 5 years to be able to provide 5G service. And 5G service, again, provides an opening not only for the service that the AT&T Verizon provide, but also the content, the ability to provide instantaneous content and services hooked on back of 5G.